morning, girls, or should I say gorgeous babes. It is Mask Monday, and we are going to try a new mask by Purr. It's collaboration with, I don't know, 60 years of Barbies or something like that, but it is a peel-off mask that came in Ipsy Plus or one of those subscription boxes. I don't know. So we're going to see how this works, because you know your girl's got to keep her skin looking good. And yeah, wow, look at that. That's really pretty. So we're going to apply a generous amount and leave it on for how long? 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, there's sparkles everywhere. That's neat. Oh, I hope this doesn't take out my nose piercing. I have a funny story to tell you guys. So the other day I was sitting at the bar having a drink, and there was a guy that comes in there that was checking out all of the guys. And I was just sitting there and I was giggling to myself because he pretends to like girls, but you could totally tell that he's more interested in guys. And I just kept thinking, come out already. It's 2019. Really? It was just hysterical. Then my friend Miranda, she was like, yeah, I've seen him look at the guys too. And I was like, all right. Anyhow, now that I think I've applied enough of this to my face, let's give it 15 minutes to work and let's see how my skin looks after. My face is very tight and shiny. And it doesn't feel like it's going to come off. But it has to. I suppose I could wet it a little bit. Let's try that. Okay, I've wet my fingers. But it seems to be dissolving it instead of pulling it. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Come on. Here we go. With these masks, you have to put on a lot for them to come off in like more than a bazillion pieces. Oh, I got stuck in my hair. The good thing I like about them is that they do clear out your pores. Let's see how well this one does. I'm just trying to loosen it up. Let's see. There we go. This one's coming off in pieces in my mask video. That one did better. That was the Wander mask. What do you think? Do you like these mask videos? Do you guys use masks? I've heard some in the comments for my last one saying they've never tried a mask. And I'm like, really? And then I've heard some people still use like soap to clean their skin. But that is so not good for your skin. Even though soaps have changed and they have moisturizers in them now. Still, so much better with a cleanser. I think we're working on it. It's coming. At least this side is. This side needs some help. My skin does feel smooth. Woo, there we go. Look at that. Yay! Checking to see if there's anything in there. Come on. I know, it looks funny. But you gotta do a mask at least once a week. definitely didn't need to do nightly and morning skincare. I will do a video on my morning and night routine at some point. I just look so disheveled in the morning. I don't want to film myself. Let's just put it this way. I look like a hot mess. Especially lately. I'm sweating at nighttime and it's really annoying. There we go. Almost there. I think I'm going to use some water to get the rest of this off. And I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, we're bright and shiny. So I just kind of like went like this really quick to get it all off. And then I rinsed my face with warm water. It really didn't do anything for the blackheads in my nose, but I did notice that it feels smoother than what it was. So that's good. My whole face feels really smooth, and it definitely feels like it's shinier and brighter and a little more hydrated, which is good. Just remember one thing, because the first time I tried to peel off mask, I forgot to put my hair up. It doesn't matter what it looked like, but put it back, because if not, you get that stuff in your hair and everywhere. It was just a really big mess to clean up. So I'm giving you that tip. Make sure you put your hair back. Anyhow, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I'm definitely going to be using this mask again. If you have a mask that you love, put it below in the comments. I would love to try it out on my Mask Monday. And before you go, I would love it if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah! I love you guys bunches. I'll see you in the next one.